Hi guys, so welcome back to our 365 days Canva design challenge, and today is our day 9, and our chosen topic will be about creating your Pinterest pins in Canva. So let's hop onto my screen and start this tutorial. So as you can see, this is our day 9, and our topic will be about how to create Pinterest pins in Canva. So as you can see here, these are my previous pins that I created here in Canva. And the reason why I'm sharing this to you is because I believe that Pinterest pins is a traffic generator when it comes to website. This skill is very helpful for those people who are in the SEO and website management side of freelancing, because usually Pinterest pins are being used to actually be, it's like a landing page wherein when people search on Pinterest, once they click that picture, they would be led into a website, into a blog, into a shop online. And the good thing about Pinterest marketing also is because most of the audience that you can get here is already warm leads. So it will be really helpful for your clients if they are looking for something new and wanted to uplift their website presence, the amount of clicks to their website. So today it's gonna be that topic. I know I've talked a lot, but this is just my way of explaining to you how this Pinterest pins, as simple as this, can help your journey as a freelancer. So let's hop into my tutorial. So I got two ideas on Pinterest because there's a lot in here. I just got two topics that we can set as an example for this tutorial. So let's hop on to the next page wherein we're gonna have live tutorials. So first, all you have to do is actually choose a picture according to your topic. So for me, 12 ways to earn $200 every day. So the first thing that comes to mind is those people who wants to work at home, but also for me, who need it the most. So for me, a lot of um, moms, especially those who have babies, they wanted to spend more time with their child. So it would be more attractive to them if we use that kind of picture. So just a quick story about how I design. Usually I would, what do you call this? I would make sure that the pictures are relevant to my design. So your design should also have emotions, your pictures, your chosen pictures. So let's say, for example, this one is a work at home mom, and she wanted to earn $200 every day. So let's add a background, because usually this is what I do. I add texture to my design so it's not too boring, especially that we're using white colors. Okay, there you go. And the next thing that I would do is make sure that I have created this emphasis on the text. So at first I would so here's the catch for this one. So whenever I am designing text or a title, I will not make it as one-liner because it's not too appealing to those people who see my post. So for this one, I wanted the people to click onto my pins because of the $200 clickbait. So it's like in YouTube, you need to have a clickbait type of post. So here, I highlighted or accentuated the color of $200. So before your mind or subconscious mind would say, before I even read the 12 ways to earn uh, money, what what catches my attention first is $200. Okay, so that's just the principle behind it. So let's say I'm gonna add this to my design because I did it earlier. So that's just a pro tip for you guys when you're when you're creating pins. The arrangement of your text and the color of the fonts that you're using. When you want to emphasize something, you make it bigger. So also, I'm gonna add lines here to create separation from the text above. So there's a lot of ways to create pins. There's a lot of techniques that you can use as well. So this is just one of them. So there you go. Okay. And then I'll make sure to add my website below. Okay. For example, here www.yourwebsite.com, but usually what you would add here is your client's website if you're doing this for them. Okay, so we're done to our first example. So next would be this one. So the topic, the next topic that we have is 5 reasons to resign from your 9 to 5 job. So just like what I said earlier, your pictures should have an emotion. So this woman is tired. So if you're talking about resignation, there has to be a certain amount of burnout in the picture that to choose. So let's say it's there, and then one of the techniques that I do is the shadow effect. I just love this thing. So let's say I'm gonna add a fade effect. I don't know if you notice, even from my previous designs, I would always have fade effect. This is just my favorite. I don't even know why. When I discovered it, when I discovered this element, it has became my favorite. Whenever I'm designing, I always use it. So what I will do is I will duplicate that until I achieve the right amount of shadow that I wanted. So okay, let's just add and add more. Okay, and add more. Okay, there. Now that I got my the right amount of shadow that I want, next I'm gonna add is the square frame. So I also like adding this square frames. I don't know, and I don't know why. Like them. Let's say I'm gonna add this. Does that look good to me? Or maybe we can just make it as simple as white. There you go. Let me make it more. Okay. Let me make Not big enough. Okay, there you go. So what the next thing that I'm gonna add is the text here. So I've already done it earlier, so we're just gonna transfer it here. Um, one of the best skills maybe that you wanted to have when you're designing is the ability to play with your text, what they call calligraphy, or maybe, just your talent on arranging text. Took me a long time to really like know how to do it because I always end up having designs that are really not good in my eyes. But right now I can distinguish what I want and what I don't want. So let's position that at the center. This one also, let's make sure it's at the center. Okay. If you're unsure where the center is, just use this one position and then make sure that you click on to the center like this. Okay. Why do you want that to why do you want to do that is because putting your design at the center, or knowing the central part of your design, you'll know how to balance your design. So if like there is like a grid, like the left side, the center, the right side, you know where to put your text so that it would create a balance. So sometimes you would want your designs, your text to be just on a line left, a line right, or sometimes you want it center. Now you have a guide already here. Aside from, you can use rulers. So I'm gonna show you there. Go to File and Show Rulers. So there you can already see where is the center of your design, or you can just simply do the positioning at the center. So that's example of our Pinterest pins. These are just ideas. As you can see, I have a lot more here that I created before. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. These are the Pinterest pins that I created before. Yeah, there you go. It's so fun to play with the letters, play with the arrangement of layout, and choosing your pictures, and make sure that when you go here to the Pinterest section, your post or your pins will stand out. So yeah, there you go. And I hope that you've learned a lot of things today, especially those who are trying to go to the Pinterest marketing space. It all starts here, creating your Pinterest pins, and then the next thing you know, you're already connecting them to SEOs, connecting them to hashtags, connecting them to the websites of your clients to create traffic for them. So it will be really helpful for you if you're gonna use it to your freelancing career. So that's what we're all about, right? Designing so that you can earn online. So that's it for today. And see you tomorrow for our day 10. It's gonna be another topic, and I hope you're excited learning so far, because for me, I can't even believe that I've just surpassed 10 days continuous tutorial. But yeah, we're gonna do it to help more people. And yeah, thank you everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.